Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, Wolfman Walsh, and we've got a big episode for you tonight. And by big, I mean very, very small. So this is something that I first saw when we did our Bourbon Blades podcast with Joe. He had one of these in his pocket, and I got to see it, and I was like, dude, that's so ridiculous. I love it. I got to get one.
Yeah, I wanted to check it out.
All right. Like I said, we're going to Smoky Mountain Knife Works later this week, and I wanted to look at this little thing.
It's a fun little knife.
Tater Tot.
Yeah.
I don't know if y'all can see that. It's pretty small. It's funky. That's my word of the day. It's funky. So when the Smoky Mountain Knife Works had a after Christmas, after holidays sale, whatever it's called, these went from, I mean, they were on like 12 or 14 bucks to start with, down to $10. I was like, I can't not get one. So this is the Rough Ryder Tater Tot in brown micarta. Know that thing. I gotta move it slow. It's so small that it has a hard time being fixated on.
That's not what I'm about. Not now, not ever.
Look at that. How funny. Now, for size comparison, because some people are like, well, I mean, yeah, it looks really small, and especially in comparison to someone with not DCA sized hands, how small is that knife actually? Well, here's a Benchmade Adamas, 275. And here is a Civivi Elementum. I figure those are two well-known sizes of knives, so there you go. That's how big that knife isn't. Yeah, there you go. Specifications, overall length is 1.5 inches. Now that's the blade length. So when it's closed, it's just shy of 2 inches. That's what the website says. I don't know if I believe that, because I don't feel like it's even that big. Let's get a tape measure. Hang on. Walking across the garage here. Didn't have a tape measure. Okay, we're back. Let's see. Just shy of 2 inches. Okay, they were correct. That just... it's the goofiest little thing. But you gotta get one. Yeah. Okay. I'll give it to him. That was right. So, the Rough Ryder Tater Tot in brown micarta. There are different iterations or versions of this knife that you can find on the SMKW website. There is the Angry Watermelon, the Mean Tangerine, the Lightning Bug. I think there's been more than that, but those are the four that are out currently that I'm aware of. Now, this is a liner lock. And let me put the Elementum down there. This is a liner lock, and it is assisted. Little spring assist. I don't like assisted knives. I really don't. I had one. It was the Ken Onion design. It was the Kershaw Scallion or the Chive. One of those. I want to say it was some sort of onion. You understand his premise. And I was hunting, and I had it in my pocket. And I was going up the ladder into my deer stand, and I've told this story before. Somehow, and that thing even had a plastic lock across it, but somehow just the movement of me going up the ladder, the plastic lock broke, and this deployed in my pocket, cut the pocket lining, and cut my thigh. Not this, the other one. So since then, I've just not been a fan of assisted openings. But I got this because I know something that I'm not going to talk about it yet, but I know something from somebody that will help me in this scenario. Help me get over my fear, if you will, of assisted opening knives. So anyway, I just wanted to share that this was a after the holidays New Year's sale that they were running. It's probably not going on anymore. That was about a week ago, and we are officially into the new year. So, what do you think? Does anyone else have one of these? These little tater tots, mean tangerine, the angry watermelon, or the lightning bug. Now, the cool thing about the mean tangerine and the lightning bug is they glow in the dark, and you're going to see that on a different video if it's not out already from our tour at Smoky Mountain Knife Works. So we got to see those in action as well. But no, overall, I really dig this thing. You know, no, it's not an S-Class, or it's not A tier, you know, but I'd give this little bug a solid B, because it's interesting, it's different, and you know, the same thing can always be said about me. I'm interesting and very different. But there you go. Thanks for stopping by. Like and subscribe if you're new. Like if you're not new. We like the return viewers as well. But as always, I'm Wolfman Walsh, and we'll catch you on the next video. Take care.